Success. Success in any event is made up of a collection of small and smaller events built on top of one another. Success is not like some people call this as luck. Through research, life experiences, trial and error, I have found some 6 crucial building blocks that, when used, can lead to a sure success. Step number 1: have a clear goal. So, it is very important to identify and clearly define your goal so that you can repeat it to yourself. It should be short and concise, about 7 words total. Make each word count. You will use this goal that you have created to check yourself to make sure that you are working towards it. Think big. Don't hold back. Anything is possible. No reason to limit yourself. Step number 2: small steps working towards the goal. This means this one seems pretty basic but is worth mentioning. Once you have your goal, your mission, the things that you are striving for, it may be overwhelming to try and tackle it in one big step. Goals are best achieved over a series of small steps, laying down a foundation which can build upon. You will notice that as you work towards your goal, it becomes easier because of the foundation that you have been building till now. This is true in anything you do, especially business. It can be seen statistically by analyzing your websites, website traffic, your profit margins, your production issues, anything you call it. You will notice that your traffic will continue to increase exponentially the more you add content, get backlinks, and get exposure for your websites. All those things are small steps to get to a bigger goal. Now comes to step number 3. That's the key. We call it as consistency. Just as small steps help you to get you to your larger goal, being consistent is the cruciality for building on these steps that you are previously completed. Doing something small every day will help you to form a habit, such as writing a new post every day. And by doing that, you will be doing one small thing to help achieve your goal. Next important step is perseverance. We should not consider as a low value, but it gives a huge importance. Many people set their goals and start to work towards them, but as life throws curveballs, things changes. Time is used up with other things and the consistency stops. It is absolutely important to persevere. Stick with what you have set out to do, no matter what. The ones that do persevere will achieve far more than that who stop and break the habits that they have formed. There is always time to do one small thing to work towards a goal. Time management. Time management becomes a top priority here. Maybe you get up an hour earlier to work towards your goal, or maybe you stay up an hour later. Whatever you do, but make sure to stick with your goal. It will pay off in the end, in the long term. Step number 5. Reward yourself for achieving your goals. You definitely deserve it. When you have completed your goal, no matter how small it was or how big, take time to reward yourself. Just like incentives work to sweeten a deal in a negotiation, or when you are a product, or when you're buying a product, or for completing a project on time at work, they work for yourself too. It doesn't have to be something extravagant. It could be purchasing a new album from iTunes, or taking your mentors and advisors to dinner to thank them for their support, or it's just a kudos to your team. This is important to do as so many people work so hard and yet don't take the time to realize what they have accomplished. Many people have accomplished extraordinary things that go unnoticed. Take it upon yourself to reward yourself. You are your biggest fan, so make it happen. You deserve it. After you celebrate, look at what you have accomplished and see where you want to go next. Set your next goal and build off to your success. It is simple, continuous process. Don't stop, keep doing it. 6th which is last but not the least important step, is put a time limit to your goal. This one is important as you want to make sure you complete your goals, but you also don't want to stress yourself out to the point where you feel overwhelmed. A good example of this was when I had to set a goal to write 10 articles in one weekend to post throughout the week, as I was going to be too much busy during the week time. However, after I set the goal, it got to me. I became overwhelmed with trying to write that many high quality content packed articles. Needless to say, I was only able to write 3. That experience taught me that I need to get smaller goals. Working upon it, writing more and more articles quickly will help me to achieve for a longer term. So put a time limit to your goals, but do it in a realistic way. If you put a time limit and aren't able to finish your goal, then extend your time. Don't punish yourself, but put an extra effort. One of the keys to life and to success is to be flexible and adaptable. Things will not always go as planned, so you need to be able to adapt to life and still complete what you set out to do. Keep working on your goals, keep pursuing for your targets and success.